Good morning.
Hi.
So today we are getting the bus to Seoul. Yeah,
we are leaving Gyeongju, getting the intercity bus. It was a little bit more expensive than the express, but in the express bus station, all the machines were down and it just wasn't worth it. And the intercity one, we could book them on the little electronic one. So
yeah.
it's about £5 more expensive, but it's a premium bus and we're on there for 4 hours, so it should be nicer.
So we're pretty sure it should be the same sort of bus that we had to get here. And yeah, no, it's a nice, plenty of leg room, so it should be good. As you say, it's 4 hours, and then we have to get a subway when we're there.
Yeah, subway to our accommodation in Myeongdong.
Yeah, but yeah, no, it should be a good little, relatively easy travel day.
Yeah, hopefully.
I just need to
sit on a bus.
Yeah, I need to finish packing. My Kindle died, so I won't be reading that. Everything dies, like from an electronic standpoint, eventually. But yeah, no, it's should be a good day. I'm looking forward to going to Seoul.
Yeah, I've heard lots of good things. But we've done it the other way around to everyone else. So everyone's come from Seoul, so they're comparing everything to Seoul, whereas we get to
see it
after some other places.
Yeah, but yeah, come along, and we'll see you in a bit.
So we made it on the bus.
Yeah, nice comfort bus again.
Yeah, massive amount of leg, which is really good. As I say, we're on here 4 hours, but we should stop halfway through. There's enough people on it that we should. Yeah.
It's nice and easy. Platforms named, numbered on the tickets.
Yeah. Cool.
So this is our hotel, our little guest house in Seoul. It's basic and small, but it does the job. So yeah, we are going to go out and meet our new friends that we met at the temple stay. We're going to get some dinner, but we're going to, because it's a different area we're going to.
Yeah, we're going to head to Mapo. So we're staying in Myeongdong, so it's about 20 minutes on the train.
Yeah. But now we just chilled out for a bit, and now we're going to go there. Not going to take my camera because it's been kind of off and on rain a little bit, and so we may transfer to the phones if we have anything. If not, yeah, that was the travel day. Probably not going to be a full video. You'll probably see what happens tomorrow because we haven't done too much today.
Yeah.
But yeah, we shall see you at dinner.
Yeah. Bye.
They love their underground shopping centres.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, maybe. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade.
was really good.
Good evening. So we have had dinner. It was really, really good. We met with our friends. It was there last evening, so we went out and had some Korean barbecue, our first time, which was really nice. We got yelled at by an old Korean lady. But no, it was actually not too pricey. The food was really nice. We both kind of reek of barbecue, but that's kind of to be expected when you're cooking your own food. Yeah, we are looking forward to exploring Seoul tomorrow, and we're going to go from there. But we'll see you tomorrow morning. Right, see you later, guys.
Good morning from Seoul.
Hi.
So what are we doing today?
We are going to go and find Seoul Forest.
Yeah.
A bit of a walk in some nature before we head to Gyeongju for the complete opposite.
Yeah.
Go to like the K-Star Road and the fashion streets and the big fancy library Instagram spot.
Yeah, we thought we'd ease ourselves into like a nice bit of nature and then the crowds and the people and the stuff. But yeah, it's our area is very hilly.
Yeah, that's the way up to like some cable car for the big tower. Later.
And like that way, which way we're going. But yeah, it's good. All right.
마스크를 착용해.
우회전 taking a ride to journey. 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠. 그 설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는.
Found like a super cute thing around here. So it's like a, I don't know. Yeah, just container park kind of style. Some food places and whatnot. But yeah. So Alex and I made it to Seoul Forest, which is like a nice little park. We have to take what, three subway stations to get here? Yeah.
지금 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음 해 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 이제부터 좀 달라질 거야 Maybe I don't know 처음부터 알고 있던 거야 I feel it 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 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 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라
Oh yeah, that's the
Korean pop star. The library is in the middle.
yeah. Why does that aircon look like it's hey kids?
Place is massive. We're in the Starfield Co-op Mall. That is huge and we're only on the basic floor. following the blue running track, the light.
Yeah, it's fucking insane already. So what do we got? She's eating, I'll tell you. So it's a honey sweet potato cake. Mmm. So we are walking up to that, and this is a cable car you can get. See the wires? Oh, there you go. Yeah, so that is a cable car you can get, which takes you up directly up to it. But it's like 18,000 won each way per person. And that's dinner, like, that's a good dinner. So we're gonna walk it. And this is why you don't try and drive up. We gotta go that way, but we gotta go this way. Do you think we'll make it?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so we're coming up the tower hill, Hampton Tower.
Yeah.
We've got a nice sun, but it's setting very quickly. We just decided, we'll just do it tonight.
Yeah. So
We'll see.
We'll see if we get it. We'll get a nice sunset.
I think it'll be nice in the evening anyway.
Yeah. You can just see that we're starting to glow.
Yeah.
Because the sunset at the moment kind of looks like this. Nice and orange glow. Very nice so far. can't stay too long.
Stop anywhere.
Yeah, we can do it.
유마 장난치라고.
So we've got 1,200 meters to go. All in space. That's a heck of a sunset. One of the best sunsets I've ever walked behind. Nearly to the top. I lost Alex somewhere. Don't really know where. Hey.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi. So that was a really good sunset. We are going to go get some dinner. And we are going to call the video here. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video in Seoul. Hey, what are we doing?
Hi. We've come to Chicken and Beer.
What's all that? Yeah. We got some stuff. We're just waiting for our chicken and a beer. We got our beer. And snacks. The star of the show is turned up. So we have regular chicken, like fried chicken, crispy, spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy, sweet and spicy. Like
Cabbage.
and a very empty beer already.
Yeah, that's cool if you want to know.
Yeah. So the two chickens are very different. This is just the regular fried one. That is the sweet and spicy one. And you can see how like gloopy it is. It's great. So yeah, this. It is mildly spicy with like a sweet tinge. Yeah, really, really good. And then I actually really like the basic one as well. Which is your more like KFC style, which is still really good. And beer. What's not to like?